Hi guys, I'm Dennis. Welcome back to my channel, Guy with a Plant. In today's episode, I'm going to pot up this really cute baby Philodendron silver sword. I'm not sure whether can you see, it's a little bit reflective. Let me try to adjust the lighting. Yeah, maybe you can see a little bit better. So I put down all the blinds, it's a little bit darker. My goal today is to make a short video. I do not want to drag on. I just want to repot this. Right, these baby cuttings were grown from stem propagation. In fact, a whopping 9 months ago. If you have watched my ugly plants video, I'll put a link in the description below. And 5 months ago, I did an update and they were already looking like this. So they have not grown much. In fact, some of them are starting to turn yellow, browning off. So I thought I'd better quickly pot them up and give them some nutrients. I think they are definitely lacking in nutrients. They have been propagating in this geostrath, which is an inert material, so they don't get any nutrients. You wet them once in a while, once I see that it's getting dry. So yeah, let's take these babies out and see if they are rooted. Alright, they should come out pretty easily, but I got to make sure I don't break these delicate leaves. Okay, they are actually rooted. This is really so cute. Can you see the roots here? This is a miniature plant by itself, ready to be potted up. I'm really excited. I don't really have luck with silver swords, even though I know they are supposed to be easy. Watering is hit and miss for me. Sometimes I overwater them and the leaves turn yellow, and sometimes I underwater them and the leaves turn yellow. So I don't really know what they want, but I don't think they really need a lot of light. These are the other two stem cuttings. They have grown some roots, not much, not as robust as the other one. Yeah, this one has much better root system compared to these two. They are kind of entangled together, but this one has one thick juicy root. This one not as good, but I think it should be okay. And I'm going to reuse this geostrath. I'm going to mix it with this pot of recycled potting medium. I can see that some of the stems have died off, so not everything survived. Alright, I'm going to use this thick plastic pot, which is quite sturdy. This is about 10 cm across. This is a pot of recycled potting medium with perlite and bark and some pumice. Okay, so I fill up about 3/4 of the pot. Yeah, because the root systems are quite small, I don't really need to bury it too deep. Let me see if I can remove some of these dead leaves. This is done. So I hope they will survive outside their previous potting medium, which they are so used to, a full 9 months. I'm going to give it some water. Alright, since I'm already done with the silver swords, I might as well just repot some of the cuttings, which are also long overdue. This was a really beautiful pot of cuttings in water, this Epiprinium Marble King. But as you can see, some of the leaves are starting to die off, and yeah, these leaves are yellowing because they've been in water for way too long. I think about at least 5 months. So, and I can see some of the roots are turning black, which is not a good sign. We pot this into a proper potting medium. Put a photo up here, how beautiful these cuttings look trailing down. Maybe just as recent as 2 weeks ago. So this is really starting to go downhill. Oh, actually some of the cuttings have attached themselves to the container. So I've got to be really careful to remove them. Whoa. A lot of roots, but a lot of rotten roots. Look at all these rotten roots, these black ones. So the rot has set in. I got to trim off those which are rotten. Let me try to untangle the cuttings first. No wonder this vine is not doing well, because the main root is totally black. But the other root seems okay. This is just algae, I think. Let's look at the other cuttings. This bunch of cuttings are okay. The roots look fine. For this one, I'm going to cut this off because the rot has set in. And the last bunch, full of rot as well. But there are some good roots. Look at these roots, really healthy. Actually, I don't think this one is rotten because it still feels really firm. But there are ones that are really mushy. So you know that these are the ones that didn't make it. I've got to cut them off. Actually, some of them just fall off by themselves. Yeah, it's quite gross. I've removed those rotten roots. So these are all the good roots. Yeah, but I'm going to remove those yellow leaf as well. So this is gone. Just going to remove this. Okay, it comes off really easily. You can see there are new leaves that are coming out during propagation. Got a pot here. Let's put in some potting medium. I've filled up 1/3 of the pot. Just going to put this in. First bunch. Next. Alright, so this is done. Looking beautiful. Nice bushy pot of Marble King. Definitely need to water this because they've been sitting in water for months, so I need to slowly adjust the condition. I'll keep this wet for the first week and then I'll water it as per normal. Alright, and finally I have this cutting of Repotting tetrasperma, which have been rooting in water. Actually only for maybe around 3 weeks, and it has grown quite a lot of roots. I've learned my lesson. I do not want them to be in water for way too long, so I'm going to just pot this up with these stem cuttings of the same plant, but these are not fenestrated, so because they are still really juvenile. I do not want to pot them separately because I don't have the space to have so many pots of plants. So let's take a look at the roots. But you can see from this transparent cup, the roots are actually still pretty fine. So I don't know whether we'll survive outside water. Yeah, but I do not want to wait any longer. So let's do this. Yeah, these are definitely water roots. Very white, very fine. Right, first, let me remove the stem cuttings. I really hate to disturb them because I just pot them up not too long ago. This cutting has no leaf at all. But you can see the roots here. Gonna put this in. Yeah, I wonder, is this pot too small for everyone? Okay, and this is done as well. I'm definitely going to give this a drink too. Alright, today's video is supposed to be about repotting my baby silver swords, but I ended up repotting some other cuttings as well. But that's good, so it has been productive half an hour. Yeah, so these cuttings are looking really good now, full pots of plants. So thank you for watching this hopefully short video. So if you're enjoying contents like that, I hope you can consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you again in my next episode. Take care, and remember to show your plants some love.